keep tricking me like on my phone. Because you have another kid.
I know, you're not used to it.
People.
Big up kings and queens. Wagwan. Wagwan. Good evening.
See, no. Let me see. Try to see, no. Yes, I did that. I did that. Ping, I did that. Patricia, me see you. Lots. You're early. You come to class early. You're a good student. Where's a good student? Lord,
Shakira.
Lucina, Wagwan.
Duval. Marsha Lee.
Yeah, Marsha Lee, Duval. Wagwan, we don't know. Wagwan. Happy Monday. I know I'm not used to see it on Monday.
Yeah, man, a different sitting with upon tonight.
Yes. We're just in the mood for come visit. Yeah? Make a quick doctor checkup. Yeah? Everybody feel alright. Me need to take on a temperature. Yeah?
Right.
We need to take on a temperature. Everybody good. Yeah?
Okay, Jacqueline.
Let's see.
Wagwan.
Okay, Wagwan.
She
Jacqueline.
said, Lucina says she her first student.
Your first student? So what you did there? Me not see her.
No, man, she did it. She had the first
one.
one.
Yes, I choose.
She had first student. Yeah, man.
Oh, sorry. My eyes just catch Patricia. Sorry. Yes, your first student in a class.
Them all say them get front row seat.
Oh, they get front row seat. Yes. No make nobody push you out of seat. You hear? Yeah, all on a position.
Welcome, Myrna. Welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Yes. Honestly, we have our planka shirt just in case.
Just in case, you know, see? John Sharp.
Keep your kin quiet.
Keep your kin quiet.
Exactly what I mean.
Do we need to show you the back of our shirt so I don't go?
Lord, man, you're not wrong, you're sitting, please.
No, knock it down. Donna go.
Yes. Yes, me that my anti-shirt. Yes, me that my anti-shirt. Look, yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
John Sharp's always festive.
We extra, you know. We extra.
We love our auntie, yeah? We have to support her.
We just love our auntie. That's all.
We have to support her.
Yes, we just love our auntie. So if you not get on a shirt, make sure you get on a shirt. You hear? Them nice, them comfortable, good quality.
Yeah.
Yes, me not lie because I love her. But me I tell you the truth. Good quality. Yes. If it ain't good quality, me wouldn't put it on and endorse it. No matter how much me love somebody, me not lie for nobody. Yes.
Thank you, Shelly Everclean.
Shelly Everclean.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself. Yes, thank you for the shirt.
Yes, thank you.
Like I said, them comfy, good quality. You can tell. So when you wash them not gonna lose them shape. Yeah. They're not going to fade out. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
They're good quality, man.
Them nice. We get them today. And we'll make sure we put them on. Yeah, we're not even wash them. We'll put them on.
Straight.
Because we're so excited to get them. Me not lie to you, I don't know, so me not lie.
So go.
Yeah, so I go. So what go on with you? What do want to chat about tonight? We always want to chat, you know. Let me see. Who did that? Oh, Shelly the funny. Oh, yes,
that's
Shelly.
what I tell her, big
Oh,
up.
me think you just see that say.
No, man,
Oh,
she
she
there.
funny. Oh, Shelly,
She
yes.
there, man.
Ever clean, yes. Ever fresh, ever looking good, girl, good. And yes, use the bomb. Yeah, man. Yes.
You see, Shelly, we get it today, so we said we have to come live.
Live. We're telling them from last night, so we not come
We knew
live.
it was coming, though.
We know it not come. So we plan for it. Yeah, green hair and all. You understand?
See my pink
You
hair?
Yes, and
Pink
the
hair
pink.
for go with my pink shirt.
That's right.
Green hair for go with the green shirt.
I saw it extra.
So we roll.
I saw it extra.
So we drop it. We drop it like it's hot.
Oh my God, we're just a joke with you guys. But yes, we totally coordinate with the shirt. Yes, we're not lie to honor. And come and go like say we did have it here green. No, we didn't have it green.
My hair wasn't pink.
Yeah, we turn it green from match your shirt. So it stand, yes, we do
So it
all
stand
of that.
out, yeah,
If you come
yeah.
see honor. Uvex. I want the Uvex. See? I want the body in the Vex. Ah, Jesus. Oh my God.
Colleen, big up, big up. That's how we're for chat about everything.
Everything you know what we chat about. All right, the first thing we want to chat about is, you know, so we live in a day and age now where it's like you're afraid to say you not like something because everybody, the first thing somebody call you is a hater. It's like you can't say, it's like you have to like something. That's the predicament they feel like say, them put everybody in it. You can't be objective. Everything you have a bad mind. You understand? You can't say, okay, somebody might say, me love the dress there, what certain somebody are wear, and you say, you know, me not really care for it. As soon as you say that, everybody call you a hater. So me wonder, you know, if people still can be objective about things. Like, without people considering them a hater. And not everything me like, you are gonna like. And not everything me like, you are gonna like. You know what I'm saying?
And everything you like, we are gonna like.
But anyway, me did just have that on my chest and that I topic.
But them have one topic here for you.
What
That's
topic?
what them want to talk about.
Let's talk about the lady who always play the vic. Lord Jesus, what do you want to put she in my head for? What do you want me open up my head and give a room in my head for live free for? You understand? Me don't want to give nobody no space in my head for live rent free. Why me I go do that? Why me I go get up and give her the attention what she want?
That attention she desperately
Understand?
seek.
Me no want go dessa. Me no want go dessa people. Because me not think about that woman. I don't. When me put the master baker, so you tell me master baker is a character, a baker character. You tell me some master baker can't bake cake and decorate cake without it be about her?
Or have visitors without it being about her?
You understand? What when my master baker sat there have to do with this woman? Wanna tell me?
Want for know.
When my master baker have to do sat there to do with this woman? When me write up the character for Vanilla, my husband said to me, say, change her into a student. You understand? Because me don't just make she be just come regular as a student. Yeah, when me write here she be a student, me never have the uniform in mind. My husband suggests the uniform. Me never have nothing when me don't decorate the cake with. My husband said to me, say, remember your master baker garden in the living room. You can make she go to your garden because, you know what I'm saying? Because we sit down and brainstorm. In the dining room, that's what me just said. Oh, dining room. Make she pretend to go to your garden. We sit down in the damn garage Saturday and come up with the master baker. This woman was never on my mind. Never. In my thought. Let me tell you when she come across my mind. Because me's an honest person. Because she out there attacks her with body shame her with having a body per master baker. At the very end, I said, people I eat per master baker body. Wanna go back and watch the video. You hear? And me say, master baker can't have a body because Tyler Perry, Madea have a body. You know what I'm saying? Girly have a body. So why master baker can't have a body? You understand me? I can admit it. That's the only time She crossed my mind that's off and make she know say Master Baker I go keep her body. Me's an honest person. But for the rest of Master Baker, did not have nothing to do with her.
Not a damn thing.
And the reason why I don't want to give this woman any attention, because of the fact is, as long as me love Auntie, and as long as me support Auntie, and as long as me love Chris, Your Majesty, and support them, I'm always going to be a target. So that's why I am not going to continue to go back and forth with these people. You understand? Auntie Dana don't pay me. Chris don't pay me. Me make my own money. Me push my own key. Me take my own vacation. Me pay for my own shit. You understand me? I don't need anybody to pay.
And had all of it before we even came on social media.
Me come on social media with my friend. Me come on social media with everything me have. Me no come on here for look nothing. So why me I go use my energy when me come out here for entertain my people, for cheer up somebody who might be down, to give back to my my wonderful supporters? Why am I gonna take my energy and entertain people who are always gonna see everything I do, it's about them? As long as Master Baker character, as long as it's around, she's gonna think it's about her. I cannot convince her that it's not, and I'm not here to convince her that it's not, and I won't try to convince her that it's not. Whatever she wants to believe, she can believe it. Whatever she want to do, she can do it. You understand? Me not gonna go back and forth with people who get up and want war each and every day. I wasn't raised in an environment like that. I come from a loving home. I come from a home where my mother and my father show me love. My sisters and my brothers show me love. All of my family show me love. Me come from a tight-knit family where we show each other love. Me not afraid to hug upon nobody because I'm not uncomfortable. I'm used to hug. I'm used to being told that I'm beautiful. So nobody out there can't make me feel less than I think I am. Every day my husband tell me how beautiful I am. So me not care where a girl wants to sit down and say, she don't know me not know her. She not gonna tell me who me for love. She not gonna tell me who me for support. You have people coming on my inbox and you cannot convince them to me and Auntie Dana and a biological sister. You can't convince them of that. I mean, I'll sit down here and bring out my birth certificate for prove nothing for nobody. If you want to believe men are a sister, fine. Whatever you want to believe, a fool no business. You understand? Whatever you want to believe Chris appear me, fine. You want to believe Auntie appear me, fine. Those people, not even a cent. And I would not ask what I need money from them for. Because I not come out to come brag about my life. Because I not go pull my bank account and show no. It never happened. Me don't need a cent from nobody. Me can't give somebody money me make off of Facebook every week if you don't want it. Me don't need it. Understand? You don't have nothing me jealous of. Me not jealous of people. Anything me want what people have. And me think say it's necessary and important in my life. Me work towards it. Yes. And my husband give it to me. And my family will give it to me. So me no need for company come sit down and cuss with a girl and bring down myself. Me not do it. Yeah, me not doing it. I'm not giving her no attention. Whatever she want believe, she believes it. You understand? Me not stop support Auntie. Me not stop support Chris. No. So anybody want to threaten me in my inbox, do it with a legitimate number so me can report on the ass. Them come in my inbox, then tell me say, me and Auntie are trying to fool people because we are sister in a real life. You understand? All them messages there for months from me come out and talk about Auntie, me I get them synthetic. I mean not come out here, come stress nobody with it. Me not come out here, come talk about it. Me not come out here, come cry victim. Then call up my business places. Then call the woman who sell for me. Tell her say she's a scammer. Order up a whole bunch of stuff. All them sitting there me I go through from how long. Me not come here, come cry about it. Me not come here, come lay down and play victim and want people sorry for me. You understand? Because I know what to do. You understand? That's the mistake me make. I'm put the business out here. But me have business, me not use social media for. And nobody now know about it. You understand? And then do that to me that make me hungry. Yeah, me still gonna have my bank account in Jamaica. Me still gonna make money there. Me still I go sell a foreign and make money here.
They not stop we.
That's not stop me. You understand? Because I know God what me serve. You understand? So me not sit down and go in a war with people. Me not grow up in a hostile situation. Me not grow up and see me family at war. We're not war boats. You understand? If you want to war with somebody, like I said, there's a war going on. You understand? Me not making fun of a war because I know war is a serious thing. You understand? I'm saying to you, if you love to live on war, there's a place for you. There's the Middle East for you.
2 places for you.
But you're not going to get it from over chocolate and vanilla platform. You're not going to get it. You can sit down and drag me all the days of your life. You know nothing about me.
Nor me.
You understand? You don't know anything about me. So whatever you want to say, that's your damn business, not mine. I'm not out here to bring down anybody. I'm out here to make people laugh. And if my skit is a baker character, I don't see why me baking offend you.
Look how many
Look
bakers
how
there
many
is.
friggin' bakers
Look
in
how
the
many
world.
bakers there are.
You're the only one who put flowers on your cake.
The
Why?
only baker in the whole entire world that puts flowers on them cake.
Understand?
The only
If
one.
me want put flowers on cake, me I go put flowers on cake. If me want make cupcakes, me I go make cupcakes. As long as me have an audience to laugh when me do master baker, that is what I shall do. You don't like it? That is your damn business. You understand? That is your business. Every time I disagree with people, I get up and think that I know people's life and know what people want and what their intentions are. What the hell's wrong with y'all? People want money. People want this. I'm not thirsty, darling. I'm not thirsty for money. I'm not frightened.
Before we came on social media,
I'm not frightened for money. I'm not frightened for money. I'm not frightened for material things. Money no frighten me. Fame no frighten me. Me can shut this off anytime I want. But me now make me shut it off. Because me know that we sit here and we impact people's life. We know we do that. That is what I know we do.
Yep.
And you're not going to stop us from doing that. So whatever, you can make 1,000 videos and call us all whatever you want to call us. That's your business. You can think so we want to reach where you there and I don't see where you're at to try to reach there. I would have to go low. And I don't go low. You understand? Me not coming on here and go back and forth with people who aren't relevant in my life. I never used to war off of social media, and I'm not coming on social media to war. And if I don't do it in my personal life, I don't see why I should come here and do it.
True.
You come on my page, you start my page. You come and you're rude to people in my comment section, and I let you go without even blocking you. Today was the day I decided to block you. You advertise your business on my page and I leave it there.
We didn't take it down.
You understand? And I block
you.
You do it and we're not take it down. You understand? This constant harassment for what? For what? Because you want to bully us into liking who you want us to like and support who you want us to support? That's not gonna happen. It's not going to happen. And if I should do it, all over again, I would do it all over again because I did it from my heart with no conditions attached to it.
None.
And if people choose to follow us, they choose to follow us. We never stick up anybody and tell them to follow us. They've decided that on their own, based on our contents and based on people might recommend them to come and watch, because we're not ungrateful people.
No, we're not. We're not ungrateful.
Why this constant attack on us? Why? What's the problem? What is the problem? We say what we have to say already. You understand? Move the hell on. Leave us
Bye, Felicia.
alone. Stop having your people them harass us. Because the moment we get a good number for them and a good profile, I'm going to report them. Because I'm not playing with anyone. Because we don't harass people. We don't threaten people. The only thing we threaten people with is with a lawsuit if you try to defame me. Leave us alone. My master baker had nothing to do with this lady. But because she have issues with your majesty, everything when it comes to baking now is your majesty who tells me to do all these things. Lady, I'm not a robot. Nobody controls me.
We have our own mind.
We have our own mind.
We think for ourselves.
The hell you think we live under? Some dictatorship that somebody's going to dictate to us what we must do and we must act and this and that? Are you kidding me? Who the hell you think we are? And going to pay us to do stuff? Who the hell you think we are? Lady, you don't know about we. You don't know about we. You really don't know about we. Because if you have the least idea about our life, you would never make such a statement. You wouldn't put we and people paying we for do these things on social media in the same sentence.
True.
People are crazy out there. My kings and queens. People are insane. People are crazy. People are evil. They don't like to see anybody shine. That's the problem. Because we have a skit and people are enjoying it, so they feel like they should target it. That's what it is. That's all it is. Bad mind. Bad mind.
It's ridiculous.
Whatever I said in regards to your majesty or in regards to auntie, it's from my own free will. It's from my own free will. None of them ever, we never have no conversation on the phone about anybody on social media. Never. What's wrong with you people? Somebody can't love somebody, somebody can't support somebody, and there are no
strings attached.
Strings attached.
Every time somebody comes out for them, you think that they're being paid.
They're being paid.
Oh,
really?
Oh, that's because that's what you do.
Pay?
That's what you do. You pay people to come out for you.
You know what I'm saying? This woman, she is such a troublemaker. Then she come and she make her videos them. Then she takes them down. Then she cry victim. You understand? And I can't live my life being on social media to play games back and forth and to be in a war with people like those. I'm going to decide. I don't know why I let that comment. Let me even address her because my name want to address the woman. Yeah, and I'm so disappointed in myself for even
And
mentioning
I'm
her.
disappointed that I showed it to you. I'm sorry.
You know what I'm saying? Me tell her something I want, give her no attention because that's what she want. She want people to see her, acknowledge her. Like it's my fault people aren't. Jeez. She love come and cry victim. And if I look up months upon months, ever since I came out and speak on the injustice when I say I go on social media. You understand? Ever since that people, it's constant attacks. Constant. And when I come on here and lay down, I want people sorry for we. We not even call the people that it's about and tell them. None of that we not do. We come, we dance, we do skits, we keep a praise and worship, and we are gone with our life. I mentioned it while I was in Mexico briefly. Remember? Briefly, was a few, some people on my life, I mentioned it. They can attest to that. But I know something when I linger upon and get up day in and day out and just keep talking about the damn same thing over and over. It is what it is. You're not going to feel the way you feel. Me can't sit down and convince you not to believe what you want to believe. One thing me know, me not going to bring my birth certificate, come out here, can show you who my biological mother and father is, and show you which part I'm born. You understand me? And all of that for prove shit to you. And not proving damn shit. Whatever you want to believe, you believe. If you want to believe Bringle is a real man, believe Bringle is a real man. You want to believe, say, me married and me should not go talk about Bringle like that, phone of damn business. Anybody will really support us, they're going to be here, regardless. You understand? Enough is enough, man. Me not give them no more. After tonight, no matter whenever them comment they come across, don't show them to me. Because after tonight, she not exist in my world. Just like, you know the other one not exist no more in my world. Me she not exist in my world. I don't want to see anything she have to say. Me no want, she not exist. Me shut my eye. She not exist no more. Done. Done with that. Yeah, done with that. We'll come here for your topic and...
My Facebook are act up.
Facebook are act up?
Mine.
Oh, yours are act up? Okay.
I can't see no comments. Thank you for whoever said I'll be here, Queen.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. We don't get up and come up on here and trouble anybody. You know? We don't. I'm honest enough to tell you. If me say something, I'm honest enough to tell you. Me not back down from what me say. You understand me? Everybody can have a bat, every character can have a body, but Master Baker not have no body because Master Baker body is about her. Master Baker is a baker, and Master Baker not supposed to bake no cake, even though Master Baker is a baker. Because Master Baker do anything in regards to cake, it's about her.
And all the characters are coming in.
And every character will come in at it. It's about her. And so you important. You just overestimate your importance in a people's life. You are delusional, lady. You are delusional.
You're the last thing on our mind. Okay?
Leave us alone. All right?
You know what? Not for doing.
Leave us alone. Yeah. Leave us alone. And go pay attention to what you need to pay attention to. Else you wouldn't have all them insecurities if you did know so you did good. You wouldn't have all them insecurities if you did have confidence in a way you do. You would never have so much insecurities. Sorry guys. You know that just
that
changed
wasn't
the whole
topic.
Yeah, Vanilla, please don't do that again.
I won't.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ignore when it comes to talking about them people. Because I don't want to talk about them. I don't want to acknowledge them.
I apologize.
Yeah. have better things in our life to do and better things to talk about. You understand? I'm not going to lower myself to fit them levels and get up and class people and tell people about under them and how them look and all of them stuff there. I'm not going to do that. No. I'm not going to do that. Let them stay on that train. You know? No. We're not going to board that train. Yeah. Not at all. No. And that's what they want us to do. They want us to go back and forth. So people can, you know, so they can be relevant. And I'm not about to do that. You seek your own relevancy somewhere else, not over here. Not over here. And nothing, no, only the people that what we support, only them can make we not support them. Only them can do us something personally that made us change our mind from supporting them. That's the bottom line. No girl, now go say what them I do, what we I do behind the scenes, and I gonna make me hate them and I want to talk to them. I'm afraid to go up on them platform. That not gonna happen. So whatever she want come up with in a fear head or feed them head and say, that's their problem. Not mine.
Not mine.
That's theirs. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But guys, tonight's topic was about, you know, with supporters. We're gonna have a conversation about things that you think people brag about that irritate you. You know, and we were gonna ask for you to call in and just tell us some of the things and what you think is just unnecessary, what people brag about, and it totally irritates you. Nobody now judge you and think you're a hater, because that's the climate where people live in now. You can't say, oh, if the person that brag upon that and it irritate me, I mean, I think it's necessary. The first thing people will get up and say, you're a hater.
You're bad mind.
Or you're bad mind. What irritates me, what people brag upon, is when them do something for somebody. I don't think it's necessary to talk about it. If you do it from a generous place and you do it from a willing heart, yeah, I don't think it's important for you bring that to the forefront. For say, you know, there's somebody that did call me for this, and you know me help that somebody to forget this, and me help that somebody to forget that. That is such a turn off to me. I think that is so irritating. You understand? Yeah, me don't like that at all. I don't feel like if you help somebody, me not talk about charity now, you know, guys. So don't get it twisted. I'm talking about just a regular person. You're just a regular person. And if you do for somebody like us, if we do for somebody behind the scenes, me not think it's important for bring it forward.
Or necessary.
Or necessary. For say, you know, the person you did call me and the person you did want a dozen chicken and me help them buy a dozen chicken. Me not feel like that's important. You understand where I come from? Yes, so just things like that. What else? What irritates you? What people brag about, and you just not think that it's necessary.
I hate when people brag about what they have. Yeah, I have a car. I live wherever. Everybody lives somewhere. Not everybody has a car, but I mean, so what? That irritates me. I don't think it's necessary for people to come on and talk about what they have from what they have over somebody. Act like they're better than people. I'm sorry, that irritates me.
What if it's just the fact that they're proud of their accomplishment?
It's the way it's said.
Yeah, there's a way of doing it.
There's a way of doing it. If you come out and say, you know, it's the way some people say it. Oh, you know, like nobody can have a bigger house than them. They have the best car, whatever. That annoys the crap out of me.
I can't see the comment.
It act up. It cut me off.
Yeah, guys. So the number is pinned. Just feel free for call and tell us things. You know, some things that people brag about that irritates you, like simple little stupid things, whatever you think it is, or things that just things that you don't like, what people brag about. Yeah, feel free. Chat to him, man. When they're praying tonight, chat to him. This selfie light is so hot. I don't know why them office so hot. Jesus Christ.
No. For as small as it is.
Yeah. Oh, God. It is so hot.
And it's blinding.
People. And it's blinding. Are you got, is Facebook looking I write to you guys because we now see the comments them.
When I see the comments,
It's stuck.
it does show chocolate only, then it come back to the both the way, then it show chocolate
Is
only,
it
then
working
back to
fine
me.
for you guys? Or did they report the page? We not see nothing. We not see nothing. We don't know if we not see we. It's stuck. We don't know if we not see we. Somebody call please and make we know if we not see we. Call the number that's pinned, please.
Did you pin the number?
Oh, the number not pinned. I thought it was. We put the number in the comment. We don't know if we not see we. We don't know because it's frozen. Yeah, give me a second. Oh.
All right.
We not even know if them hear.
We don't even know if you guys can hear us.
Yeah.
It'll work, but the comments I'm frozen. I don't know. I can't pin the number. Hello, good night.
Speaker. Hello, good night, good evening. You guys can see us fine?
That's what I was trying to tell you. No, I was trying to message and it's not going through.
Oh.
Okay, we'll come off and come back on.
I don't know what's going on with the live.
I can't get on Facebook at all.
I don't know if
Just end it and come back.
all right,
Okay,
we're
all
gonna
right.
end it and come back.
All right.
All right.
All right.